Here's how to find your saved playlists on YouTube. Now, if you're on YouTube on your iPhone, Android, or computer, and you want to find the saved playlist for videos or a bunch of different videos, you can always do that. I'll walk you through the steps. Let's say this video, tap on the three dots to the right of it, and I just choose Save to Playlist. And I'm going to save it to watch later, or I could even hit New Playlist and call this Workout. And let's keep it private and hit create. But if I wanted to go back and find that playlist, all I need to do is tap the U button at the bottom right. And now you can see there's history, the videos that you've recently watched, and playlists. So tap on playlists here. You might need to swipe down to refresh this. And then there is that playlist I just created with this one video. I hope this helped you out. If it did, leave your feedback down below. Let me know if this video was helpful for you, or maybe if I missed the mark on something. Thanks, guys.